Standard 4th, subject EVS 2. Shivaji gives the slip to the emperor. Students, in the last lesson, after the treaty was signed, Jai Singh suggested, Jai Singh means Mr. Jai Singh suggested to Shivaji that he should go to Agra and see the emperor. He also guaranteed Shivaji's safe return. Shivaji thought over the suggestion. He knew that emperor could not be trusted, but even though Shivaji decided to take the risk and face the situation as cautiously as he could, he informed Mirza Jai Singh that he was willing to go to Agra to meet emperor. Putting his trust in Jai Singh, Shivaji left for Agra to visit the emperor. Before leaving for Agra, Shivaji handed over the administration of his Swaraj to his mother Jijabai and took her blessing. The main points of this lesson are: Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor's court, the emperor's treasury, escape from Agra. Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor's court as he had promised Mirza Jai Singh that Shivaji would go and meet Aurangzeb at his darbar. With him were his son Sambhaji Raje, some chosen sardars and few trusted people. He also carried with him a large treasure. Treasure means a quantity of precious metals or money or valuable objects. In due course, he reached Agra. On the pre-arranged day, Shivaji Maharaj attended Emperor's Darbar. Young Shambhaji Raje accompanied him. It was Aurangzeb's 50th birthday when Shivaji visited Agra. After finishing court, a Diwan-e-Khas, the emperor, entered the hall where the matters of the state were discussed. In front of him stood his chief sardar in the serial rank according to their status, Jaswant Singh Rathod, whom the Marathas had put no flit on any many occasions, was in the rank ahead of Shivaji. The emperor put Shivaji in one of the back rows. Shivaji became very angry. After all, he was the king of the sovereign state of Maharashtra, and his status demanded that he should be in the front rank. This was a deliberate insult which he could not suffer lying down. Students, according to why Shivaji became angry over here, because he was made to sit in one of the back rows, whereas he was the king of the sovereign state of Maharashtra, where everybody knew Shivaji's talent and he was the king, whereas Shivaji had defeated Jaswant Singh Rathod many a times, and according to the status, should be in the front rows. But Aurangzeb made him sit at the back rows, and which was a great insult for Shivaji. And because of that, he left the darbar and he went to his residence. Emperor's treachery. Student, what do you mean by treachery? Means betrayal of trust on which you cannot trust, you cannot be faithful. Angry and insulted, he returned his back on the royal presence and made for his residence. He decided never to see Emperor's face again. The visit was thus a failure. Means there was no use, there was no sense it made that Shivaji came from Maharashtra to Agra to meet the Emperor Aurangzeb. Thus, it was a failure. The news of this incident spread everywhere. Aurangzeb ordered the guards to be posted around Shivaji's residence. Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje thus became, for all practical purposes, emperor's prisoners. He did not allow Shivaji to go back to Maharashtra. All the guards were posted around the residence of Shivaji. Shivaji understood emperor's treachery. Treachery means betrayal of trust, faithlessness. Means Shivaji had kept the trust on Mirza Jai Singh and emperor that they will sit, they will discuss, and then Shivaji could return back to Maharashtra. But all these things were failed. He realized that emperor would never let him return to Maharashtra. The days and weeks passed. Then one day Shivaji Maharaj petitioned, means he appealed to the emperor for the permission to return to Maharashtra. He tried again and again. He went to ask to take the permission from the emperor, but every time emperor rejected the permission that Shivaji should not go back and he made him the prisoner. But every time his request was turned down. Then Shivaji Maharaj made up his mind to escape from emperor's clutches, means from his prison. Now what did he did after that? Let us see. To begin with, he obtained emperor's permission to send back his soldiers, his Maratha Sardars with whom he had came to Agra. To obtain the emperor's permission to send back to the south the person who had accompanied him to Agra, emperor was very happy. He thought that Shivaji Maharaj would now be completely isolated. But Shivaji Maharaj was very sharp person. He had planned what he should do. And according to his planning, he was successful to send one part of his soldiers back to Maharashtra. The persons left with Shivaji were Sambhaji Raje and two servants, Hiroji Farzand and Madari Mehetar, were one of the Shivaji's faithful servants who stayed with Shivaji with him at Agra. Shivaji pretended to be ill in Agra when he was under arrest. He complained of the severe pain in the stomach. Now Shivaji had no other plan. What he had decided, according to his plan, everything was going well. And now Shivaji pretended that he was not well. And he every time he complained about severe pain in the stomach and doctors were called. They started treating the patient. Shivaji started sending the huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and Maulvis for his quick recovery. Shivaji informed to the emperor, due to which he will recover fast. Next point. Escape from Agra. Shivaji gave a slip to the emperor. In the beginning, the guards outside would examine the basket. In the due course of time, they got fed up. They got tired of the daily routine checking of the baskets. And at the same moment, Shivaji got the chance to escape from the clutches of the emperor. These guards would check each and every basket which was passing out from the Shivaji's residence, means Shivaji's house. But at last, checking, they thought only there are sweets, no one else in that. So Shivaji got the chance and he escaped from the Shiva emperor's clutches. One evening, Shivaji made Hiroji to sleep in his bed and asked Madari to massage his feet so that nobody should know, nobody should have any doubt that Shivaji has already escaped from the clutches of the emperor. So the two servants, the faithful servants, Hiroji and Madari, did not give any chance to anyone that Shivaji is not present in the Shivaji's residence, in his room, and they acted, they made everyone think that Shivaji is really sleeping and the Madari is massaging his feet. Hiroji was sleeping instead of Shivaji on his bed. Madari Mehtar was made to press his feet, to massage his feet. Shivaji and Sambhaji Raje hid themselves in the two of the many baskets that were going out. The baskets were supposed to contain sweets and allowed to pass unchecked. At a previously fixed, Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje got out of the basket. Their faithful servants were waiting for them with horses kept ready for a flight. Shivaji and Sambhaji got out of the Aurangzeb's arrest in one of the sweet basket as previously planned place. In the meantime, Hiroji and Madari left the house in Agra under the pretext that they were going to the doctor to get some medicine. The two of them risked their own life and made a valuable contribution to the task of freeing Maharaj from imprisonment. Students, as you can see, Hiroji and Madari were the brave servants, the loyal servants of Shivaji, and they have risked their life for saving Shivaji. They did not kept any doubt behind that Shivaji is not in the prison. They made as the pillows were and they covered them as if Shivaji is sleeping and he is not well. And they both moved out of the house under the name that they are going to get the magic medicine for Shivaji. The emperor came to know Shivaji's escape the next day. He was wild with rage, means the emperor had become very angry. How did Shivaji escaped? He gave a slip to the emperor. How did he went out of so strict posting of guards? His sardars were frightened. Now what emperor will do with them? The emperor sent the spies. Spies means you can say student the jasus, the person who tries to get the secret information about others, whether it is country or the people. All the search, however, was in vain. Once escaped, the Maratha lion was never again caught in emperor's net. In disguise, Shivaji Maharaj started towards Maharashtra. He left young Sambhaji Raje behind in safe place at Mathura in Divkos and he reached Rajgarh. Jijamata was overjoyed to see Shivaji safe and back home. 2 months later, Sambhaji Raje also arrived safely at Rajgarh. In this way, with great skill and daring, Shivaji gave the slip to the emperor and returned to the safety of his kingdom. This was in 1666. Shivaji was a brave, lion-hearted man, and he was not the person who will wait back to happen something wrong. Instead, in the cage also he planned how he could come back to Maharashtra and save his Maratha kingdom. And this all happened in the year 1666. And even Sambhaji Raje, when he had kept back at Mathura, he brought back safely at Rajgarh. And by looking all this, Jijamata was very happy. She was overjoyed. Fill in the blanks. First one, Shivaji Maharaj attended the Emperor's Darbar. It was Emperor Aurangzeb's 50th birthday. Second, Shivaji Maharaj left younger Sambhaji Raje behind in a safe place at Dash. Shivaji Maharaj left young Sambhaji Raje behind in a safe place at Mathura. Number third, Shivaji escaped from Agra in the year 1666. In the year 1666. Number 4, Dash was in the row ahead of Shivaji. Jaswant Singh Rathod was in the row ahead of Shivaji Maharaj. So question number 2, name the following. First one, two faithful servants of Shivaji Maharaj. Answer, Hiroji Farzand and Madari Mehetar. These were the two faithful servants who were with Shivaji Maharaj in the when Shivaji Maharaj was imprisoned by Aurangzeb. Number 2, the person who accompanied Shivaji Maharaj to Aurangzeb's darbar. Answer, Sambhaji Raje. Sambhaji Raje was the person who accompanied Shivaji Maharaj to Aurangzeb's darbar. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you, students.